Namaste, my friends. Welcome or welcome back. I've been asked by some of my friends to show some exercises in order to warm our wrists. So, for example, if you're working a lot on the plank positions or you're working on the crow pose or the bakasana, it's crucial to warm our wrists. Because as you maybe already heard from me, the most gentle, let's say, part of our body, the two most gentle parts, are the wrists, and our knees. So it's crucial to warm them up before you attempt any crazy position like Padmasana, like where there is a lot of pressure on your knees if your hips are not open enough, and any balances on our arms. So without further ado, let's do it. Okay, the first exercises you can do simply sitting down or standing in any position. So we put our palms in front of us and we do a couple movements in our wrists, up and down. You can do it fast or slow depending on your exercise. If it's morning, better to do it a bit slower. Perfect. To the right and to the left. Put your thumbs inside, close with the rest of the fingers, couple circles in one direction and in the opposite. And now, the right hand is in front of you. Turn your palm outwards. Put your left hand up to the right and unite the palms. Interlock the fingers. And we do a couple movements in one direction, in another, up and down, almost like twisting our wrists. In this position, you also warm up very nicely your elbows and your shoulders, but mainly the wrists. Perfect. Now, release the hold, and we change the side, doing the same. Okay, now couple movements, like when I was a child, this exercise was called like a lamp, because it's kind of like you're putting the bulbs in the lamps. You can also do it down like that. Then we grab our wrists and we massage them, like physically trying to warm them up. One and another. Maybe more if you need. Okay, technically our wrists are ready. There are many more exercises that I will put in the other videos, not to overload, because it's very important. Couple minutes simply to warm up and you're ready to go to do whatever practice you are planning, whatever attempt of the crazy pose that you want. I wish you all the best. See you on the other videos. Namaste.